We have a couple things dovetailing around here, which is going to make it a sloppy week ahead, but warm.
Yeah, we've got some really nice warmth coming our way, especially for this time of year. In fact, this could be the earliest time that we hit 70. We've only done it 6 times since like 1894, so this will be quite a treat. It was 77 degrees last year next week, so we're due, right? We get these little pushes of warmth out of the south periodically, and we may have that on Tuesday, as you'll see. But this is really the big pattern. This is our GOES 16 satellite showing some of that water vapor. Just shows so clearly how things are moving. That flow coming right out of the southwest, and behind me you can see everything kind of digging down out west. What goes down must come up, and that's what's going to happen here to our weather pattern over the next couple days. So we're going to bring these temperatures down in the south up into our area. Gone will be the 30s. In fact, we're already warming outside right now, kind of a harbinger of things to come here over the next 24 hours as we will continue to warm on up. But that flow out of the Gulf and the high pressure off to the east coast is going to continue to just pump in a continuous stream of moisture up above us, so it doesn't take much to tap into that, and we're going to have rounds of rainfall here all the way through next weekend as it looks. When does it start, you ask? There's nothing on the radar, Matt. Well, yeah, we're predicting rain as early as 5 a.m. as that moisture really starts to get going. And look at these temperatures. They're on their way up already. We've already reached our overnight low. We're sitting at it right now at 35, and it's all uphill from here, figuratively speaking, and literally as well, as we're going to bring some warm air in. So it's time out your hour-by-hour forecast. Look at this. Radar already lighting up at 7 a.m. Could be a little earlier than that depending on where you are, but we're dealing with a wave of moderate to heavy rainfall. Temps in the 40s tomorrow morning. President's Day, a lot of you off from work or school, but if you do have that morning commute, pack the umbrella. We're going to have rain with us on and off pretty much all day tomorrow. Temps in the 40s. But I was calling for a high of 60, so what's going on with that? Look at 1 o'clock. This is a warm front working north across the area, so we go from 48 downtown, 58 down in Dover, New Philly, so that warm air working in late tomorrow evening is when it's going to warm up. In fact, I think we'll be near 60 with just scattered showers later on in the evening. And then Tuesday, look at this. This is your overnight temperature, still in the 50s and 60s, waking up Tuesday morning. A nice springboard for our temps Tuesday afternoon. And I think as of now, most that heavier rainfall should hold off to the west, so I think we're going to have many dry hours on Tuesday, and temperatures, yep, up near 70 degrees, our record high at 69 in Cleveland. We may not get that all the way up to the lakefront with that cold lake, but just south of the lake, I think anywhere from I-90 south, we ought to reach upper 60s to near 70. Tomorrow first, though, plan for rain. It's going to be a rather cool day. We're not going to warm up till later in the day, but most of that rain should fall earlier on in the day. From there on out, we talk another wave of rainfall, especially Tuesday night on through Wednesday with that front, and it could add up. Again, some of that heavier rainfall, 4 or 5 inch totals, should be off to our west, but we could be dealing with 1, 2, maybe 3 inches by Wednesday night across the greater Cleveland area down towards Akron and Canton. We don't need the rain. Especially February is typically our driest month of the year, so this is a little unusual to get this constant flow of moisture that we're seeing. Tonight, 35 degrees, already reached it. Those clouds increase. We see some rainfall by morning. We'll do 60 tomorrow. Remember, that happens in the evening with periods of rain, and eventually we're going to start to clear things out, hopefully a little bit on Tuesday. Now, my days flipped. Chris, I told you this would happen. Everything is off here, all right? I'm going to guide you through it. This is Tuesday's high, all right? Periods of rain are tomorrow, but just look at the temperatures. That's actually Wednesdays. This is Thursday. They match up quite nicely, right? Oh, I got to go fix my graphics. It's going to be warm, and then it gets cold on Tuesday and Thursday. I'm done. I'm out of here.